Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to replace the extension spring on your 2013 Troy Bilt Bronco, and I'm sure this can be used for a wider variety of models and years guys. So if you notice when you're engaging your deck guys and you engage your PTO, you notice that it's very loose and you may have trouble starting your mower guys. You may need to replace your extension spring, as it may work guys, but you're only using your PTO engage cable, so, or deck engage cable guys. So let's go ahead and get that installed guys, or replaced maybe in your case. So to replace the extension spring guys, we'll need to remove the deck. So please go and check. I'll leave that video at the end of this video guys, if you do not know how to remove your deck, as that is part of the process guys. Okay guys, so if your extension spring is missing and you're wondering where does it go, it hooks onto your deck brake rod right here, and it hooks into this hole provided on the bracket for the deck engage cable. So let's go ahead and get that installed guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I do hope this video helps you guys. Okay guys, so here's our extension spring, and we'll just hook it in right here, and then we'll get it hooked into that hole guys. So I do hope that helps you guys on how to replace or install your extension spring if yours is missing guys, and I do hope this solves your starting issues or your PTO deck engagement problems guys. God bless. Thank you. Okay guys, so after replacing our extension spring, you see now we have the correct tension on our PTO lever guys. So please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. God bless.